Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm Chef Prateek Dhawan and today I'm gonna do a dish which is an inspiration from my childhood. Since I love sweet and spicy food, I decided to lean onto it and create spicy tamarind chicken wings. So let's begin. I'm gonna take first piece of chicken and cut it into two. Make sure your chicken is properly cleaned before you start cutting the chicken. I've cut all the chicken. Now I'll start off with the marination. To begin with, first I'm going to add tamarind paste. With this, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I'll start off with the masalas. First, garam masala. Next, I'm going to use curry powder. With that, I'm going to add soy sauce. And beat one egg into it. And last, I'm going to add salt, but quite less because even soy sauce consists of salt. And now I'll start off mixing the marination with the chicken. And now I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour to get a nice thick marination. I'm going to let the chicken marinate for at least half an hour. By that time, we'll prepare the sauce. I'm going to take an onion and I'm going to slice it. Please don't try this at home. Before I prepare this sauce, let me tell you something about this sauce. Spicy tamarind sauce or chippu karama is an Andhra speciality. It is specially made by hand pounding all the ingredients in a dry coconut shell, which is called chippa in Telugu. To begin, I'm going to add dry red chillies into the pan to roast them and get a nice smoky flavor. So I'm going to heat the pan first and I'm going to add the dry red chillies. Traditionally, the chilies are roasted directly on an open flame to give a nice smoky flavor. Chilies are done. I'm going to let it cool and then we're going to make chili flakes from them. And next, I'm going to start with the next part of the sauce. First, I'm going to add oil. With this, I'm going to add whole garlic cloves, sliced onion, and saute them for at least few minutes. My onion is nice and golden, and now I'm going to add water to it. And last, I'm going to add jaggery to it. You can also add sugar if you don't have jaggery. I'm going to let it cool for a while. Till that time, I'll get the chicken wings which I kept for marination. Now I'll start frying the chicken. To begin, I'm going to take a piece of chicken and dust it in the flour. I'm going to do the same thing with the other pieces of chicken. Chicken is done. Now I'll start off with the frying. My oil is heated up. I'm going to take one piece of chicken and put it in the oil. I've chopped the roasted red chilies. Now I'm going to blend them. And next, I'm going to add onion, garlic and jaggery mixture. And last, I'm going to add the tamarind paste. I'm going to blend it while our chicken is getting fried. My chicken is nicely fried. I'll put it on the plate and then we'll start off with the final preparation. So guys, my sauce is ready. As you can see the consistency, now I'm going to pour it into the pan. As my sauce has started heating up, now I'm going to add the wings to the sauce. Now I'm going to mix the chicken with the sauce. You can make this chicken in another method by using the sauce as a marination and baking it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add the final ingredient, that is coriander chopped, and then I'm going to give it a nice big toss. I'm going to switch off the gas. Now I'll start off with the plating. For plating, I'm going to make bed of lettuce. And I'm going to start placing chicken on top of it. And now I'm going to add garnish of julienne of pepper. And to finish off, I'm going to add chopped red chilies. And our dish is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this unique combination of sweet and spicy. I'm Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and keep cooking.